What's up, guys? In the last two parts, we have created the head, body, hands, legs, and the antennas of our Android logo. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create the eyes. So click view and go to front view. Now first hide this so that we can see the image. Right click this and select it and find it here. Whichever sphere is highlighted, it is that sphere, and click the eye. Now you can see the image. So zoom in a little bit. Now we need two spheres for eyes. So click add mesh and UV sphere and scale it down. Go to wireframe mode and scale it down. And drag it here. Scale it down a little bit more. Now click we'll work on this sphere first and we'll just copy it here. So go to solid mode again, and now we need the head. So click on the eye again and bring it outwards so that we can see the sphere. Now click on wireframe mode, zoom in a little bit, go to front view, and we need a lens like shape. So click on edit mode, go to edit mode, click A to deselect everything, click B to select these vertices, and click X and delete vertices. Now if you go to object mode and solid mode, we have this. Now click R to rotate it, X and click 90. Now again we need to hide this sphere to bring it to the right position, and we need to scale it a little bit more because we have made it a little bit shorter. Click S and scale it outwards and click. Now again click on the eye and bring it inwards. Now we need to rotate that. So click R, X and rotate it a little bit. Go to this side, click R, Y, bring it inside, click R, Z, R, X. Just work on every axis, and whenever you're happy you can stop. Now it is looking a little bit better. Yeah. Now, like first go to front view. Now first hide this so that we can see where the other eye is. Click shift or select this by right clicking on it. Click shift D and bring it here. Now right click on this sphere and click on this cube. This is for object. We can see the angles here. We need to make the opposite angles here. So if only the x value will remain same, so y and z will be exactly opposite. If it was minus 22.9, so it will be 22.934. Minus 17.042, so it will be 17.042, like this. And drag it so that both of them are in the will look similar. Now again click on this eye and we have this second eye ready. Now we can assign the green color here and the black color on the eyes. So first select this body and by right clicking on it select everything but the eyes by making sure that you have a shift button pressed and right click. Now when everything is selected, click on join so that this whole thing is acting as one object now. Now go to this material tab and click new and go to cycles render here. Click on use node and mix shader. For the first shader choose diffuse and for the second shader choose glossy and make the FAC value 0.3 and the roughness value for the second shader 0.03 and choose a green color. And go to settings, viewport. You don't need to do this, but if you want to see the color here, then you can do that so that you can see if the color is perfect or not. So we need it here. Like this. Now name it green. Now click on eye, both eyes, actually one eye, and click on this plus button and here select green. Now click on this plus button so that we have created a copy and enter black. Select black color for both of them and here also select black color. Now right click on the other eye, click plus and select black. Now our Android is ready. Now we need to add the floor. So click here so that we have, go to front view first and click here so that we have an origin. Click add mesh and plane. Now click S and 5, actually 10 to scale it. Bring it upwards. Now you can set any color you want for this plane, which will be the floor. So go to material, new and select any color like this. Now we need to add one more plane which will emit light. So make sure your origin is behind the camera and click on add mesh plane. Now rotate this 45 degree R45. Actually, I think we should rotate it a little bit more. So click R 10, 15 and enter. Click S5. Now we need to assign a material. Click on new and select emission and make this value 10. Now go to this camera like tab and click on, first go to view and camera. As you can see, the plane is in front of the camera. So go to front view again and move this plane away from the camera. Now again go to camera view and click N and click on lock camera to view. Click N again and rotate it the way you want. Now we can render it. Again go to front view. Yeah, we can render it now. So click on render. So as you can see, it is looking a little bit grainy now. So for that, we need to go here and click on sampling and make the value to 1000 and the clamp value 0.98. Both clamp values 0.98 and click on render again. It will take some time, so I'll pause the video and I'll get back to you when it is done. Now it is done rendering. So this is the final image. If you want to save this, bring your cursor on this image and click F3 and select the directory where you want to save it and enter the name android logo.png and click save as image and also save this file. And Blender uses .blend extension, so write android logo and click save blender file. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also if you like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Bye.